Sairam students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, in the previous video, we have started the first unit of the book Beehive. Now, in that video, we have completed first 4 passages with their explanation. And I have given you an home assignment too. And I hope you all have completed that. Now today we are going to start with the further explanation of the passages from 5 to 10. But before that, let me give you the answers of the question I have given you as a home assignment. So the first question was, who found the printed book and where? The answer is, Tommy found the printed book. He found the book in the attic. The second question was, Tommy and Margie read which type of book? So Tommy and Margie read e-books or telebooks. The third question was, who hated the printed book and why? Tommy hated the printed book. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. The fourth question was, who called the county inspector? And the answer is, Margie's mother called the county inspector. The last question was, write the character sketch of county inspector. So the answer is, the county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. He was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. He was an expert in repairing machines. So these are the answers to the question I have given you as a home assignment. In this video, we are going for the further explanation of the left passages, that is from 5 to 10. And with this, we will complete this chapter. So let us move. Now, in the last video, we got to know that Margie was not doing good in her geography sector, and that was the main tension of Mrs. Jones. And that's why she called for the county inspector. Now the county inspector came and checked the mechanical teacher. He tell the actual reason after this. Now he tell that the county inspector tell that Margie was getting bad marks in geography because the machine was not working properly. It was geared up to a higher level. Geared up means that it was set up to a higher level, not according to the age of Margie. He said that sometimes machine malfunction. He said that it happened sometimes that machine doesn't work properly. And that is what had happened. He had now slowed it down and set it to according to the age of Margie. That is according to the age of 10 years. Now he said that Margie was learning at a good pace. That though she was of 10 years, but she still tried to manage to learn according to a higher level and she got certain marks. He again patted Margie's head in order to cheer her up. Margie was sad because she don't want to learn. She did not want to study from this machine. She just want that county inspector should take away this machine. Why? Because she was reminded of Tommy, that when Tommy's mechanical teacher had been taken away for repair for 1 month, he was enjoying those days. Why it was taken away? Because the history sector in his mechanical machine has wiped off, and that's why the county inspector took that mechanical teacher for 1 month. Now that's why she hate her school, and we got to know the reason after that. Now Tommy and Margie both were talking. Tommy always show his superior behavior in front of Margie, and so now he is doing the same. Tommy was looking at Margie with superior eyes because he knew something which Margie doesn't know. He said that Margie was silly because she did not know that many years ago the school was not the kind they had today. Tommy wanted to stress on the time period and said that centuries ago. Margie was hurt of Tommy's behavior, and she said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. She was curious and imagined a group of children being taught by human teacher She looked over Tommy's shoulder, trying to read the book, and said that perhaps they had a teacher. Now here Tommy tell her about that they doesn't have a regular school. What does regular school means according to them? Regular school means what they had. They had a mechanical teacher in their house itself. So according to them, regular school is a machine. They said that they doesn't have a regular teacher. They have a human teacher. Now they were being taught by the humans, not by our regular teacher. That is what being told by Tommy to Margie. Now Margie could not believe that Ben was a teacher because she had always seen machine doing so. Now Tommy tell that don't underestimate human, because human also have the same knowledge as machine have. And here he gave the example of his father. Tommy found it very funny when Margie said that she don't want any strange man to come to her house to teach her. Here Tommy interrupt her and said that they that a human teacher doesn't come to their house. It is that the students used to go to a building which is known as a school, where they all study according to their age. They have a different class where according to their age students used to sit, and a human teacher teaches them all the subjects. Margie is now very interested in that uh, subject because she is very astonished to know what more happened in those days. Now Margie was very astonished to got to know about such kind of school. She was astonished that how all the children of that age learn the same thing, and Tommy even tell her that all the children of the same age studied the same thing. Now Margie is interested in the book. She is curious to know what kind of schools were there. But before that, she started reading. Her mother called because it was a time for her school. Margie's school was in the next room, next to her bedroom. She said to her mother that not yet. She did not want to go to school. Margie reached her school. It was a room. It was a virtual classroom. There was a mechanical teacher for Margie, and it was waiting for her to begin teaching. Now, Margie studied all day except Saturdays and Sundays. At the same time, from this mechanical teacher, as you all know that we have certain timetable in our school, in the same way she is also having a timetable according to which the machine and she works. The mechanical teacher come according to her time, and she teaches her for certain hours for certain time, and except Saturday and Sunday they don't take classes. It was a holiday for her. So you can imagine that how that virtual class will be, that there was no one for her for the interaction. Student and teacher can't interact with each other. Though she was doing bad in her geography sector, but she never told this to her mechanical teacher because there was no interaction. Without interaction, the classroom is of no use. Now, Margie studied all days. Margie's mother was very particular. She had told Margie that she would learn better if she would study every day at the same time. So Margie's life is also like a machine. There is no fun in her classroom. It is very dull and boring, just like a machine. When Margie comes to know that in the past children used to go to school, they sat together, laughed, and shouted in the school, she get curious about it and want to go to school. Now when the Margie's teacher was teaching her maths, she was still thinking of those days when the students used to sit together and they had fun. They studied in a very funny way. They get the same homework. They can discuss together. They can take help of their teacher, and they all can help each other in their studies. She found it very strange that the teachers were not machine, but they were human beings. But though it is true that she was not interested to study from a machine. Now, the author ends the chapter with the title of the story itself, the fun they had, because the moment the machine teacher was teaching arithmetic to Margie, she was not interested in that, and she was imagining about the past school, about the children who studied together. She was thinking that about the kids of the past who went to the school and enjoyed studying with the human teacher. As we have completed the explanation of the chapter, now the question arises, is the title apt for this story? The answer is yes. The title is apt, the fun they had. Because as the children Margie and Tommy inside the story find a real printed book which has the knowledge about the ancient school. Though they both were very much bored of their present school, their regular teacher, that is the mechanical teacher, they started having fun, or they started having interest in reading about the ancient school. They thought the children of older times were lucky because they studied together. They had a lot of fun together. Margie and Tommy think about the fun they here is referring to us, now present students, that we are having right now. So yes, the title is apt for this story. Students, we have completed with the explanation of this chapter. Now, I'm providing you a home assignment. In this home assignment, there are 6 questions. These questions you all have to attempt, but the 6th question is based on your viewpoints. The question is, do you agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reason for your answer. So in this question, you have to give your viewpoint according to you, which school is having more fun. The school in which you are studying today, or the future school in which Margie is studying. So you have to give your viewpoint, and you have to write this answer in your own language in a separate notebook. That separate notebook can be a rough notebook or can be an old notebook. So whenever we are going to meet, I'll see these questions which I will provide after every chapter. Thank you, students.